Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you today? Welcome to Wellness Wednesday. We're going to start off strong this morning with this beautiful coffee cup. It's from New York. Tony picked it up for me last time. They were in New Jersey. Him and Brooke went to New York City. I'm looking forward to that one day, but check it out. It's my New York cup. And today, there's a bumblebee floating. I have it topped with Cool Whip and cinnamon. Ooh, I'm not going to get too close to that bee. So, good morning, my beautiful friends. Once again, welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Today, I want to chat with you for just a second about the power of putting yourself first. So yesterday, it was a bit of a day off for me. I had done yoga the day before, and yesterday I wasn't sure what I was going to do. So I didn't do anything in the morning. I got to the point in the afternoon where I needed a break. I was frustrated. I don't normally get agitated or frustrated throughout the day. I'm pretty calm, well, high energy, but my kind of calm and happy-go-lucky. And I had a moment, as we all do, right? And I'm here sharing with you because on the days where I get up and take care of myself first, and I don't linger, and I do what needs to be done, including just a basic walk, if nothing else, a basic walk, I am so much better for the day because I've started taking care of myself first. And that means I am not in reactive mode, but I am in proactive mode. I am proactively putting my needs and desires and wants before others, before I deal with whatever else is coming my way. So that was a huge eye-opener for me yesterday about not being able to miss a beat in order to be proactive. Of course, you can take the odd day off, but don't wait until you're feeling like you're taking on everything or it's much before you take a break. Okay, that is why I work out first thing in the morning, almost every single day, because it puts me in a state where I can now take care of the things that need to be done. So how about you? What is your why for moving your body on Wellness Wednesday? You know, it could be the same why for fueling your body with the right foods. It could be the same why for why you dress. You guys don't know this yet, but every time I dress as if I would wear this on stage doing a public speaking. I am dressing as my future self. I want to react in a way that reflects my true personality, which means I proactively need to take care of the person I am. That's it, my friends. I hope you put a little magic in your coffee this morning and a big smile on your face, and I would love to hear from all of you.